Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing you another great project with an airdrop that is confirmed. This is Zeta Markets or Zeta Trading. A very similar project to Drift that I covered a couple times. Very solid project. Drift also has the points, and now Zeta Markets is coming to take a piece of the pie as well, let's say, with trading with perpetuals, which I'm gonna show you in a second. Some very simple ways, some very simple strategies that I use just to farm the points. They also have the points here, and you know, to get the airdrop is going to be required to do obviously some activities. So what they announced, they will have a Zeta token. They already have a white paper for it, so everything is confirmed. And as you can see, 10% via airdrop. There is 1 billion tokens, 62% reserved for community, about 10% for pure airdrop, and then the other ones, the other bits for other parts of the ecosystem, let's say. So very cool and already confirmed. What is it again? Perpetual trading mostly. There is not many other things, unlike in Drift. There were a couple of things, maybe they will add some more or not, but in general this is perpetual trading. As you can see, I opened the one live trade. I'm gonna show you in a second how to do it, how to do everything, and to farm it basically, to get the most out of it, get the most points, and then obviously get the airdrop. Maybe you will like it, maybe you'll continue trading on it. If not, then I'll just show you quickly how to do some quick trades, quick actions there. There's a couple cool markets to choose from. The coins, I mean, Bitcoin, obviously Jupiter, all those most famous one, especially on Solana ecosystem, because this is built on Solana just like the other one. So very nice. I opened the trade. It was quite fast. Just every time you open a trade, you have to confirm transaction in the wallet, so that can slow things down if you really want to execute it fast, but it's not the end of the world. And obviously everything is off the centralized exchanges, so you control the money. Deposit here, withdraw straight to your Solana wallet, Phantom in this case that I'm using. So that's it. Like, just jump into it. How would I trade it? So obviously trading is a bit of dark magic, you can say, but if you have some strategy or something, you can implement it. You can add indicators, and I mentioned in some other video my easiest strategy. I'll put the link in the corner. The easiest that I'm using, just you know, it's not a perfect strategy, but at least it's better than not doing anything, is plotting the moving average, which is basically showing you the direction of the market, then trying to change it to 200 and EMA. That will be more longer term. So as you can see, we are in a downtrend on Solana, and the easiest way would be just to see where we have some key levels. Key levels simply means somewhere where the price bounced. So as you can see, it bounced here. I usually just draw some line like that, as you can see. So we've seen it was bouncing. That's why I entered the long trade, which I hope it will go up. Maybe it won't cross the line. The trend line is still down, so technically I shouldn't trade against the trend, but I'm hoping for a quick scalp for the price just to move somewhere around here maybe and close the trade, and also show you how it works. So that's in a nutshell. Also, like I said, put the video in the corner. So how do you trade? Obviously, first thing, you connect your wallet and you have to add funds. So when you have money in your wallet, in your Phantom, you would have Solana. If you, let's say, buy it here directly, and you would need to swap them because they only allow to add USDC. So as you can see here, you can swap directly here with this button. It will take you to Jupiter, which is also actually farming an airdrop. If you do a swap, your wallet will be added as well. And if you have Solana, like I've got some here, you can literally swap it here. Just type here how much you want USDC and it will pick the Solana, swap it. That's it. I just did that. And then let's say you've got 10 in your wallet, you can deposit the whole thing and you'll see it in your portfolio. I deposited mine yesterday, I think. And that's it. You'll see it in your portfolio. You've got the basic overview of what's going on. You've got the leaderboard for the airdrop as well, or the scores people made, and obviously your score in the middle. Put the link down below if you want to use my affiliate link. Thank you in advance. And that's it. Let's go to trade. So now we know we have some key levels, the basic one at least, that it bounced from here. This is on high time frame, as you can see. So we can go lower now to, let's say, 5 minute. And you see on the lower time frame, it actually looks that it's already building the momentum to go up, at least for now. And the line as well is already turned bullish because the price is above it. And as you can see, it moved above it and touched it. I could have entered here, but I just entered, to show you how to do it. So I entered around exactly where we are right now. But as you can see, this bounces as well. So remember, these time frames are important. In higher time frame, it will look like we're going down. In lower, it will look like we're going up. But if you draw those key zones, key levels, that will give you an opportunity maybe to see, okay, it bounced. So let's ride it a little bit up and then jump to the lower one and see how it goes on the lower time frame to be able to grasp. So let's say now we want to trade on the right. You see everything here. Buy, sell, quite simple to understand. Market limit, basically market is the current price right now. We want to enter no matter the price. Limit is the price that is right now, or let's say worse price than it's right now. So let's say I'll put I want to enter long trade at 138, which is lower. So because we are already at 139, it will still execute it right now. But if I enter higher than we are now, let's say here 141, it will wait until it gets to this price and then enters. So this is sort of a if you want to have a price in mind, but remember that it will still enter if the price is already beyond that, let's say. So I prefer, let's say, in the basic stuff, just market, just look at the chart, draw your main stuff like we did. You see this key level, which it bounced here, came back, bounced again. So you can more or less know how to enter. This one was quite powerful, so I would enter probably somewhere here if I would see it in real life. But I just entered here to show you, and I'll enter another one now. So now we have the quantity, but the quantity, as you can see, changes if you go with leverage. That's how these platforms work. So what I usually do, just put a very low leverage around 1. And it will show you as well your liquidation price. What that means, that if if Solana will go to $40, right now it's 140, you'll lose everything. So obviously it's very, very small risk, because it's very not highly likely to go down so much. But if you increase that, as you can see, this changes now to 128, which is already very, very close here. So what I'm saying, if you don't know how to use it, just put the smallest one. We are just farming points. As you can see, the points are also showing here. Obviously, if you do a huge leverage, you'll get a lot of points, but you might as well lose your money very easily. So that's all in a nutshell. You can use take profit stop loss, or I'll show you in a second how to do it, because you have to set some stop losses as well. And now we're going to buy it. So open another position, or I'm not sure, maybe to add to this one. It depends on the exchange, but maybe to add. Yeah, okay, so this one added to the position, I think. Let me just wait a second. Quantity increased, so it added. So one thing, we got the points. You can see the points increased here. Second thing, obviously the order just changed to higher quantity, and now we'll see where it goes. So now let's set up stop loss and take profit. Usually I would recommend below some key levels. So if we are on that 5-minute time frame, put it somewhere around 131.7. So we go here, market as well. Let's use market. What did I say? 131.7. 131.7, and as you can see, we'll get some points, and if we hit that stop loss, we're gonna lose $2.37. So if you enter position, like I said, with some strategy, just let it run and see how it plays out, because you know you might as well win. So and that's it. So we set up our take profit stop loss. So you click it once, and if you set price lower than what you entered when it's showing there, then to use it as a stop loss. And if you put a price higher, then use it as a take profit. So I put higher, 140. We are almost there, and the lower is 131. But if you just want to farm it and you know you're not very savvy with trading, open a position, any position, just try it, buy or sell, whichever you want, market, put a bit of a leverage, click on the button, it will open like that. And then once you open, you can quickly as well close it and get those points, you know, and do some other transactions, maybe do one a day or something. You're gonna sometimes lose, you know, 10-20 cents, sometimes maybe win some. If you don't want to get involved, you just want to farm it for the points, and you just do it like that. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna farm it, and any questions, I'm here to help you. Thank you for watching.